Bro,
I'm tired of spending
4 hours making a video.
just to post it on YouTube and get
No subscribers.
like, bro, I'm fine with only 5 or 4, but none? I just spent so much time making this video, and then I'll be scrolling on YouTube and Lil Timmy has
4 million likes.
like, bro, I actually spend time making my videos and bro did nothing and got so many likes. Subscribe and use the audio if this is relatable.
Freaking hell.